Wondering what to do with our mini magnifier? It's like having your own portable microscope that magnifies up to about 30 to 40 times. How cool is that? It has a little light. You can turn the light on. Then you can put it over your plant material and look through it and see it magnified. You might have hairs on your leaves. You might have really interesting parts to see. And now here, when you want to replace the battery, you unscrew it here and it turns and comes out, and then you can replace that battery. And close it on up. And your microscope, your magnifier that's like a microscope, is ready to go. Your light's ready to go. Have fun studying your plants.